Welcome back to Altcoin Degen. Today we have some bullish news for the Cardano ecosystem. Also stick around towards the end of the video. I'm going to go over the details for my first ADA giveaway. I plan on giving away 50 ADA, and we all know that that could be worth at least $100 per coin here one day soon. So stick around for that. So let's jump in it. I always like to start off my videos with where Bitcoin is at. All alts, including ADA, like to follow Bitcoin. So right now we're in this rising channel here, which is a pretty bullish sign. This could have been the bottom here, this bounce off 30. Market's got to turn around somewhere. But again, we're only on the 15-minute chart. So right now we have this bullish pattern, but we're getting hung up here. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tests here on this resistance line at about 34.7. So it's struggling, but usually the more times Bitcoin touches this resistance, the weaker the resistance gets. So hopefully that's a bullish signal and will continue up. If not, as long as we don't break this trend line here, we have this little wedge coming in between this resistance and this trend line. It could be a powerful move in here somewhere. So other than that, let's jump into the news. We do have 50,000 more staking addresses. So the blockchain platform, ADA, that is Cardano, has over 658,000 staking addresses. So that's pretty good. It's growing every day. Cardano is looking also to looking at El Salvador for adoption. So while speaking about the likelihood of Cardano's adoption, Hopkins stated that his team is currently discussing with El Salvadorian government and a deal that will be confirmed soon. Additionally, he said he will need to visit personally to finalize the agreement. So from what I've heard, he's also already planned on going over there and requested time with the president there. So that basically tells you in a nutshell, without hearing it, that if he's got to go there to be personally there to finalize the agreement and he plans on traveling there, there's probably a good reason for it. So Cardano has been very busy. The proof of stake blockchain has been very busy lately. Hopkins earlier announced the platform is planning to publish a research paper on algorithmic stablecoins. The announcement coincides with the platform's growing acceptance and improvement in the community. This has also impacted positively the price of ADA, its native token. Cardano also wants to explore the possibility of what's called stable fees, which will be pegged to a collection of currencies. The platform says it will provide pricing that is predictable and fair. So that's a good thing. In my opinion, it's great to have ADA. It's great to have ADA rise in price. All that is great. But when it comes down to it, it's kind of like trying to buy, whether it's a cup of coffee or a Tesla, it doesn't really matter. If you're trying to buy something with Bitcoin, and one day your Bitcoin is worth 60,000, and the next day it's worth 30,000. It makes it really hard. You can imagine trying to make a mortgage payment monthly or something like that. Every month it's, it goes from 1 Bitcoin to 2 Bitcoin, or, from 1 Bitcoin to 0.5. You need something stable. It's just easier to conduct business and give prices. Even me, I'm self-employed in a business, and with the price of metal here lately and the price of labor, pretty much the price of everything, it's so hard to give a price, an estimate, and not guarantee that for more than 30 days. I have a hard time even trying to keep that same price for 2 weeks because the price of everything is just going crazy, like lumber and everything else like that. So stable coins are a good thing, and the fact that they use a collection of currencies is good. They're not the first to do this, so it's a good system. If the value of the dollar drops or the value of the euro drops, or one or the other, it's good to have a good basket of them. That way you can kind of have a really, really stable price, more stable than the dollar, more stable than the euro, because they're all combined. So that's a really good thing for me. I like that. I think that's some bullish news. Another thing is NFTs. Just so everyone knows, if you're not familiar with Cardano's stance on NFTs, according to the latest podcast, Wolfram, Cardano, and Cody are collaborating with regards to NFTs. According to this partnership, Wolfram Alpha adopted Cody's ADA Pay for the upcoming NFT auction. This marks a milestone for Wolfram team as this project and its very first step in the NFT sector. So, Cardano and Charles, have expressed very much interest in NFTs. They they agree that they're not going anywhere, and they want to have marketplaces available for this, which is all great news for adoption. And it's going to end up with more traffic on the network, which is going to just help grow adoption and of course bring money along the way, which is going to help ADA. Now, Cody and ADA, if you guys aren't familiar with Cody, you guys should check them out. They're listed on Binance, the exchange, but they're working on ADA Pay. And again, with ADA Pay is a big thing, and we just talked about the stable coin. So ADA Pay with the stable coins and stuff like that. Like I said, it's great to hold ADA, but again, buying and selling ADA, ADA may go from $1 to $100. That's not really something it's not really something you want to buy and sell every day, but with ADA Pay and of course ADA stable coins, you can easily transition from your ADA or even from your Bitcoin to stable coins like ADA Pay or, stable coins on the Cardano network. It is a good thing. It helps with adoption, and like I said, even for just contractors like me and, everyday people that want to buy and sell stuff, they kind of understand stable coins. The US dollar is kind of like a stable coin. It's a reserve currency. So these on the network will help people understand that ADA is going to be a little more volatile. Bitcoin is a little more volatile, but at the same time, they have options for stable coins, which helps in everyday adoption. So another thing in the ecosystem here is Vendetta Capital. As a core part of Vendetta, the Vent ecosystem, VentUp, the community-based launchpad for game changers, is building the gateway towards truly inclusive global platform that puts simplicity, inclusiveness, and security as precedents. The Vent team defines the Vent ecosystem as an all-in-one platform, including a swap marketplace platform in the future, building on top of the VentUp launchpad. So this is a Vendetta's strategic investment in the promising Cardano platform Vent. So this is just another Vendetta's strategic capital is another big investment firm that believe in the Cardano ecosystem and are basically helping integrate and helping push capital to help these systems get off the ground. So Cardano ADA is a well-known blockchain ecosystem with a strong community. The adoption of smart contracts on Cardano, scheduled for Q3 2021, will increase Cardano's attractiveness and provide a wide range of use cases. And basically, as I've read here before, they believe in simplicity, inclusiveness, security, and that's basically everything that ADA stands for. So these two go hand in hand. If you're not sure about Vent intends to launch an MVP of their launchpad on the Polygon network first, followed by the Vent token generation event, which will be announced in Q2 2021. The team intends to build a bridge between Polygon and Cardano after the smart contracts are released and implemented on the Cardano blockchain, eventually going through with a full migration of the platform. So basically going to launch on Poly Network, make sure everything runs smooth, run their token generation event, and then once that happens, they're going to fully move from Polygon to Cardano. Which is just great. It's just, they got to get their foot in the door. They got to get going. Cardano's not exactly ready yet. So, there's no reason really to wait. Iron out any bugs you might have on the Polygon network and then, migrate over. So if you're not really sure about who Vendetta is, invest in many successful game changers projects such as Jenny DAO, Linear Finance, HOPR, WooTrade, ArcherDAO, Unilin, Bridge Mutual, and Alliance Block. If you're not sure about Bridge Mutual, they actually are the ones that are going to ensure the Anchor protocol. So these guys I'm familiar with. They're basically DeFi insurance. They work basically like that. And so far, I've had no complaints about them. They've done a great job. So, and one last thing, ADAX, which is another DEX on the Cardano platform, announces Mate Tokay, co-founder of Bitcoin.com, as its strategic advisor. So if you're not sure who Mate Tokay is, he got in here early and he started Bitcoinist.com. He was mining with custom ASIC rigs in 2013. So you can pretty much guess that he has quite a few Bitcoin. And then he also sold his Bitcoinist.com and then co-founded Bitcoin.com with Roger Ver. So that's great. And he says he's been a long-time supporter of Cardano. Bought his first bag under 3 cents. So this could have been original launch. This could have been 2017 that he bought this bag. If not, it could have been recently. But ADAX is already established itself as a strong advocate for bringing value to Cardano's ecosystem as a project that facilitates decentralized swaps and provides liquidity as an automated market maker. To broaden its reach, ADAX has cooperated with Charlie 3, the decentralized open source oracle for Cardano. Netvark and Black Dragon are other important partners which act as marketing, innovation, and technological partners. So some more bullish news here for the ecosystem here. Having some basically a Bitcoin, well, not a Bitcoin maxi, but someone who has been around a long time with Bitcoin, who actually can see the value, unlike Max Kaiser, who can actually see this guy here can see the value in ADA, and that's great. He wants to help push future advancements in the ecosystem. So now with my 50 ADA Bitcoin giveaway, my plan is to basically have you guys like and comment on this video. Do me a favor and just try to help me out. Positive or negative comment, either way. Do you want to see these videos stick to 3 minutes? Do you like to see a 5-minute video? I don't really like doing 20-minute videos because I don't like to give up my time, 20 minutes of my time, to any YouTuber for that long. So I'm trying to keep my videos under 10 minutes, just so it's a quick all around just news update, price predictions, and what we think we're doing in the market right now. So leave me a comment, good or bad. Let me know what you think. Leave me a thumbs up and subscribe. And in your comment, make sure to leave your ADA wallet address. Post that in the comments. So basically what I'll do is I'll use the YouTube random comment generator, and it'll pick a random comment from this video, and I'll probably do this next Sunday. For me, Eastern time, so we're looking at July 4th. I'll do this giveaway on July 4th, sometime that day. And so, like I said, I'll leave this video for about a week. Let anybody come along, comment on it. And like I said, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know what you think. And then, like I said, we'll do the random generator, and I will give away 50 ADA. That's it for this video. Thanks, guys. Leave me a like, comment. Let me know what you think. Thanks.